Waking up to a brand new day. Sunshine smiles and we're on our way. From the kitchen to the open road, every moment a story to be told. Through ups and downs we stand tall.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Trust you all are doing good. Yeah, today is the D-Day. Okay, so this morning we are going to my daughter's school. Okay, today they'll be welcoming them in school as a new student. Okay, so I would like you guys to come along with us. Let me show you the happenings today. Okay, and also after that we are also going to be celebrating my first daughter's birthday. Okay, so this vlog gonna be hot. So make sure you watch the video to the end and let's get started. So this is our Shule Kinde, Shule Einfanga. Are you happy today?
Yes.
You are happy today? Wow. Turn around, turn around. Wow. Oh yeah. Keep going. Amanda. We are here for Chimamanda. Emily, say hi. Hi, hi. So we're in the freshman section.
Subscribe to join our best duet.
So guys, we thank God for everything. Today's party, welcoming party to primary school has ended. We give God the praise. Now we are going home. We are on our way home to get ready for the birthday party. Come with us. Let's go, let's go. Yes, there was a lot of performances in the school. Oh yes, but I know a lot of you are expecting to see that, right? I'm so sorry for security reasons or purpose. Because here is our home decoration, and here comes the birthday baby girl. Chioma Olivia of 4 is 8 years old. Baby girl, I wish you many more years ahead. Long life, good health. Iwatago, happy birthday, Mama. And this is what I prepared: jollof rice, gizzard, puff puff, chicken. Okay, don't mind today's voiceover, guys. Don't mind my voiceover. But I want to go. So I'm going to allow you guys to watch the video to the end. In case you see anywhere muted, please forgive your girl because of the music. Okay, so guys, enjoy this amazing birthday party with me. Wow, who decorated this cake? Nah, me. Hey, my beautiful people. Ije obodo yibo emela m amụta m ọtụtụ ihe. Me that cannot even mix even flour, talk more of decorating. Look at me today. Oh, all thanks to God Almighty, all thanks to internet as well. CEO of Bakers the Bakers. Yes, so at this point we are getting the kids ready to get to take photos. So now what's I go, man? Sometimes and then my birthday we'll be looking for some things. We don't look for lights out. So now it's time for prayer, okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yes to you, more yes to you. Yes, many more yes, many more yes to you. To the boss, feel good. To Tunge Buster, free glue. Tunge Buster, Tunge Buster, Tunge Buster, free glue. Beep, 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 ooh. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Ooh, yeah. After the count of Jesus. J-E-S-U-S. Jesus! Koroniaka, Koroniaka. Congratulations! Happy birthday, Chami! Congratulations! Yeah, it is dancing time. Una watago, I plead with una before now. Anywhere muted, I beg you. It's because of the copyright. Okay. Hope you guys enjoy this wonderful vlog. Please, if you do, let me know what you think in the comment section. Or if you have an idea on how I'm going to be making video in public, especially even door channel, Bikono, let me know because them don't go and put their face for your Watago video. I don't hook bye. So guys, let me allow you guys enjoy. Thank you, and don't forget to support our ministry by subscribing. I love you guys. I appreciate it. Bye.
Waking up to a brand new day, sunshine smiles and we're on our way. From the kitchen to the open road, every moment's a story to be told.